Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, and welcome to the 1983rd edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good day, traders. Before we get started, just know that this video is coming at you during the day on a Friday morning, for trading the rest of the day Friday and likely into Sunday, Monday. But of course, I'll look at the charts over the weekend and see what the new assessment might be. For now, this is exactly what we see. Remember, this is an extremely risky business. You can lose way more than you had planned if you don't put stops in, especially on a day like today. You can lose way more than you had planned. Never trade without stops and never trade without money that's actually earmarked to be lost without ruining your financial life. If you understand that, let's get moving. So this video is happening on Friday, and traders, we came out with a neutral Omni Thursday night for Friday, so I'm kind of free to do whatever I want, which means we're in bear flags and I want to end up short this market. So here's your Dow Jones Industrial Average, here's your bear flag, and this is what's happening so far today. This is today's bar that just got populated in. Look at that massive crack towards just about the bottom end of this bear flag now. So today comes with a little bit of sorrow. Let me show you why. I punched desks, I kicked stuff, I ran around kicking and punching and yelling and screaming and saying words I won't say in this video, and I'm okay now, so I'll show you the video. Anyway, this morning we're looking to get short the markets. Another beautiful bear flag right at the 50 bar moving average. For your NASDAQ, you've heard me and you've seen me show these bear flags since they started forming for like a good 10, 12 days. And you know I've been trying to catch it, so today's going to be our day. NASDAQ, just like the Dow Jones, beautiful bear flag and cracking. And here's the E-mini S&P. Look at this bad boy. And here's where I begin to want to cry. Watch this. So, as you might know, I have a website, livewithoscar.com. Let me see if I could just pull it up for you real quickly. On that website, I generally place trading recommendations, telling my traders what to do during the day, where we're going to buy and sell, where we're going to get out of the trades, where we're going to get into the trades, all that beautiful stuff. So you get something from me called the Flash Update as the markets are moving, so I can tell you where we want to buy, where we want to sell, where we're going to place the stops, exact information, which of course we need when we're trading. So what it looks like, my site, if you've never seen it, it looks like this. And if you come to my website, you will get the daily trading recommendation. So right now for today, we were looking at the indices, where we had a neutral, and Netflix, where we were looking for the market to break. You could tell by the red Omni, the red arrow. So what this normally shows you is, on the left side, this will show you what I want to do. The Omni says to sell short Netflix if given the opportunity. Then on the right side, as we start to trade, flash updates will come out. So for Netflix, flash update says we are looking to get short Netflix. Hey, Netflix strikes again. The Omni wants to stay on the hunt because we were short yesterday. If you have access to evening hours for trading stocks, Omni says sell short Netflix at $297.30. It's trading right now at $297.15, so it's close to a fill. Tells you where to place your stop. Place your protective stop above 301.80. We'll lower that stop as the market moves. Then as the market moves, you get more flash updates, and they'll tell you what to do next. OmniX were filled short up to 297. Netflix is currently trading 295. We'd like to start looking for profits at 293.40 and again at 291.70. So this is how the Omni operates. All right, so indices. I tell my OmniX, come on, kids, the market's running up. And I tell them, although we have a neutral Omni signal for trading on Friday, I am at liberty to trade the big bear flag. The ES is currently at 29.26. We would like to sell short on a rally, put our stops in above 29.45, and look for the downside. I send out this message. The second I send out this message, I mean the second, let me show you why. Look at the timestamp. They get automatically timestamped. 10:59 Eastern. See it? 10:59 Eastern, this came out. Well, the second I sent out the flash to get short, this bar came out of nowhere. Look, here's where we were. I was trying to get a short right up here. Look, we're getting towards the top of the flag. Let's get short. This happens, and now watch this. Here's the sad part. Let's see, that was chart 6, right? This is, I'll never watch one of these ever, but this is a 1-minute chart of the E-mini S&P. This is in Chicago time. 9:59 is exactly 10:59 Eastern. I sent my flash out exactly 10:59 Eastern, as you can see here, right? As I send the flash, this is what happens. $50 drop in S&P before my eyes. And guess what? We didn't get filled. I'm so sorry, kids. I'm so sorry. So the market just tumbles as I hit the enter button to send the flash update. I didn't get filled. OmniX didn't get filled. Nobody got filled. And the market cracked without us. I'm sorry, kids. However, there is one bright light here. Here's your bright light. For 2 days in a row, we've been selling Netflix, and take a look at it. Netflix is really starting to get pounded, and the 50 and the 200 are getting much closer to crossing now. You know, they call that the death cross, if you will. A lot of people refer to it as that. Golden cross happens here. Well, this would be the death cross if that happens. So Netflix, we've been all over it. Omni's been on the hunt. It says 277 comes soon. We gave you that target when Netflix was up here. This was our first day to go short. Short one day, short the next day. So at about 301, I guess, is where we were. And we traded down to 291 so far, 291 and change. So bravo on these great calls. My apologies that we missed getting in the S&P trade. I mean, it was really, really close. Right to the minute. I mean, we were right there, kids. We were so close I could taste it, but I couldn't get us in the trade. So my apologies there. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share these videos. Now, I will tell you this. This bear flag has been forming for a reason, and the reason is the fundamental that just got dropped today. More tariff. More tariff news was coming out. The bear flag started forming long before we heard about this news, and now the news starts to come out, which proves once again, as I've always stated, that fundamentals come out in the charts first. Here's the chart showing the fundamental, big bear flag. And then the fundamental starts to break loose. You gotta love technical analysis, kids. You just gotta love it. So, of course, I am of selling the rally mode. I tried to get in today. We missed it literally by 10 seconds, if you will. Don't know if the price would have gotten high enough to get us filled, but the idea was there. The Omni's seen it coming, and we're looking for downside going into Sunday, Monday. So I don't know if we're going to find a place to get short again today, traders. We kind of missed the golden opportunity. We'd need a big fat rally to get us short again. But for now, we will certainly consider selling rallies if we see any decent ones. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. Hang out with me in my free live trading room. Remember what you've seen with these flags, because they're on all of our indices, and they are massive. There's your NASDAQ. You were just looking at S&P. On your Dow, they are everywhere, everywhere. And even on stocks, look at Netflix. This is an Oscarism known as an F flag, and it just keeps on going. The only thing missing from the F flag is the poll, but that happened during a release, a report, when they did their quarterly report, which showed that they didn't get as many subscribers as they had planned, and this big F flag started. So it's a little bit unorthodox, but I believe in it. It's why I've been keeping you traders short Netflix, and we will continue to stay short Netflix. Traders, there's one seat left open at OmniCamp. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. Why? Time is running out. If you want to learn this craft from me, you've got 27 days left, and we've got some arrangements to make. So if you want to join me at OmniCamp, which is a 4-day live seminar held in Las Vegas, I will teach you personally. I will send you home with a brand new laptop programmed by me with the Omni in it, so you're ready to go the moment you go home. I will cover your food and lodging expenses as well, and give you the best education you've ever dreamed of. just give me a call, 702-629-4755, or come to livewithoscar.com. Find me in my trading room, but I'll tell you right now, time is running out. If you'd like to make a call as good as this Netflix call has been, come on out to OmniCamp. The rest of you, keep doing what you're doing. Stay with me in the chat room. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to keep those emotions at bay is come out to OmniCamp and learn this damn thing for yourselves. If you can't do that, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, respect these flags. Keep your powder dry. Do not chase the market. It'll be here on Sunday and Monday when you get back to trading, if you missed it today. And join me in my trading room at livewithoscar.com.